do you get distract research so that we distract every 40 seconds when we are sitting in front of computer or we are on mobile phones. We spend over 47% in our times when the browsing the internet or our mobile phones, procrastinating, and we check our phones around 86 times per day, put our hands off. If you check it more than that, so it's no surprise that we all face distractions, we all experience distractions, we are all plagued by distractions, but often we think that the opposite of distraction is focus. We think that we need to become more focused. We think that if we are focused, we will feel less distracted. We feel that if we are able to draw our every distraction in a certain direction and focus ourselves to absorb in an activity, then you won't be as distracted. But this is just not true. The opposite of distraction is actually not focus. The opposite of distraction is wait for it attraction. Let me explain what I mean. We are attracted to something. We completely fixate. We are completely absorbed. We are almost addicted and absorbed that visual. That something of time when you saw someone that sound attractive, I'm guessing you couldn't take your eyes off them. Think of a time when you had it and repeat all throughout the day. If there was drilling outdoor, there was being demolished, nothing could distract you from the sound of that voice. And that I know you can hear it in your head right now. What we really need to do is increase our attraction. When you are attracted to something, we are naturally able to present. We are naturally able to bring our attention and our energy to that task and that project, that person that we are distracted and don't have that attraction. We are naturally all over the place. We end up feeling a lot confused and end up for the class in acting. As you see, how do you get attracted to things that you, I'm sure, things in life that we have to do, and we all have things in list that we have to do. I'm sure you have a long list of things that you have to do, and your things, Mr. Ram, I'm not attracted to any other things, whether it's doing you accounts, whether it's talking the trash out, maybe it's even your job. So I got a trick over you, a little trick, a little insight that you will make your mind understand and believe that it's attract to something. Let's take the example of your job. It's something that you have to do, and it's something that you may not be attracted. When you ask yourself, why do I go to my job? Maybe the answer it is the pay my bills. Maybe the answer it allows me to take care of my family. For yours and feel that your job that let's engage you for that. Wherever your answer is that the start with procrastinating and
subscribe to our channel. Click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.